in this video we will be learning how to create a fillable text box in PDF by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. You can see this is a PDF, so if I want to tab something here I can do it because it is fillable, right? If I also want to tab something, so it's also working here, okay? But if I see this box, so it's not working, right? Because it is not fillable. So in this video we will be learning how to do it. It's very simple. First you will need to open your software, which is Adobe Acrobat Pro. Okay, so I have already opened it. Then you will need to open the file where you want to do this setting. Okay, so I have already opened this file too. Okay, when you open the file, then simply you will need to click here on this tool. Okay, so when you click on it, then here you can see it's mentioned prefer form. Okay, so just simply click on it. After that you will see this window. Okay, and then you will need to simply click here. Okay, you can see this T, so simply click on it. After clicking on it, then you will see this box, this icon here. Okay, so you will need to simply click here because we want to make this box, right, fillable. So simply click here and then you will need to drag this, okay, till here, and then simply also drag this one too. Okay, now here you can see, guys, so now this one is become, fillable. Okay, so if I simply click on previews, okay, now here you can see I can tap any information to here if I want. So it's very simple, guys. So simply click on the save button, so this will be automatically saved. If I just came here again to my this file, if I just click on refresh, okay, and if I just go down here, now here you can see I can tap any information here too, guys. Okay, so simply delete this information. Now here you can see this form is also become fillable. Okay, so if you want to do further changes here, okay, so simply click on this edit button, and here you can see if I double click on this file, okay, now here you can also put any other text here if you want. So if I want to put some different information here like chemical, okay, chemical peel here, so if I want to put this thing I can do. Okay, if I just click here on appearance, now here you can change the text, the text size. So if I just want to select different text font size, I can do it. If you want to change the font, you can also do it. Okay, and here you can see the position. If you want to change something here, you can also. And also, guys, this is another different thing. Here you can see alignment. So whenever we tap something, right, so that the text start from here. Okay, so if you want to make it from center, okay, so then when you tap something it will start from the center. So you can also do this too, but I like the way it is. So simply click on close button. Okay, now here you can see chemical peel is showing here. Okay, so because I have changed this, so it's very simple, guys. You can do this. So it was a one kind of project I did here. So I just make this PDF fillable, and you can also do this. It's very simple. If you have any kind of question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you later. Bye.